Welcome to my channel, guys. Today I'm going to share with you some of my favorite recipes from the new Aging Games cookbook, which you can see below. And these recipes are all super fast, easy to make. They help you lose weight, they help you maintain your weight. They're all anti-aging, anti-inflammatory, low-carb, sugar-free, gluten-free, wheat-free. You're absolutely going to love them. So please watch the videos and enjoy. for more recipes and for a special discount, please check out my cookbook below. All of the recipes come with full video instructions, just like you saw in this video. They're all super easy to make. Your family will love them. You will feel amazing. You can have them guilt-free every single day. And if you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe and to hit the little bell so you get notifications every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching, guys. Ba-ba-da-ba-ba.